Yeah, bro. Hey, I'm Siti, and I'm gonna show you how to this. I'm gonna show you this. The pistol looks like real, and I left the pistol. I think I over. That's my brother buy for me for my birthday, and you wanna see some. I just see the bullets inside is yellow. Sorry, these are the bullet on as the bullet, and um this after bullet pistol. Called somebody. So this is the pistol, and this is the police of cops, and this of it. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Aku tunggu buat video diam. So this is the pistol that my brother. So and they shoot you now. This the pistol is drop. I put on the same time. And yeah. Alright. Then here comes the bullet. And if you got this pistol, please don't kill animal. A real of pistol, but this is just toys. If you get in Frankie's school or what, if you get it, please don't kill animal or people. It will be killed, so you will be put into jail. And so I left this pistol, and this one is like drums. It's like drums, but it's pink too. Ow. So it's like this. This is like drum, but it's not drum. This is cops, like cops here. And I hope you enjoying. And this pistol is very nice.